In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all 60-volt and 80-volt Pro non-attachment capable string trimmers. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. Lift the string trimmer out of the box and set it down, being careful not to damage the wire connecting the two sides. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage occurred during shipping. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Remove the Allen key taped to the string trimmer guard. Assemble the shaft. Unfold and line up the two shafts. Align the release button with the positioning hole and slide the two shafts together until the button pops into the positioning hole. Tighten the screws on the coupler using the Allen key provided. Attach the guard. Place the guard onto the base. Align the screw holes on the guard with the screw holes on the base. Reinstall and tighten the screws. Attach the auxiliary handle. Remove the knob from the auxiliary handle. Place the auxiliary handle on top of the trimmer and set the lower clamp behind it, sliding the full end into the groove and the open end onto the bolt. Thread the knob back onto the bolt and set the auxiliary handle into a comfortable position. Tighten the knob. Attach the shoulder strap. Attach the carabiner into the carrying ring on the drive shaft. Remove the tape on the cutting string and cut-off blades. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit with battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.